Okay, comma rule number 4. This one deals with introductory elements. So if you remember comma rule number 3, that one was the comma fanboys rule. So if you have a complete idea and a complete idea, you can join those together with the comma fanboy. So this rule is what happens when you don't have a complete idea on both sides. You might have a complete idea on one side, but the other side is not a complete idea. So in this case, you're going to use a comma after an introductory element, including phrases and dependent clauses. Dependent just means it needs more information. So here are some examples. Yes, comma, I will go with you. Yes is an introductory phrase. That's like saying, no, you can't go to the store. Yes, I will go with you. And you set those words off with a comma. So yes, comma, I will go with you. I will go with you is a complete idea. Yes is dependent. That means it needs more information. So you separate them with a comma. At the library on Monday, we returned the books. So at the library on Monday is an incomplete idea. It is dependent. It needs more information. So if I came up to you in the hall and I said, at the library on Monday, and walked away, you'd be left going, what's happening at the library on Monday? So that is an incomplete idea. We returned books is a complete idea. So you can join those two together with a comma. After you type the paper, be sure to submit it. Same thing. If I came up to you in the hall and said, after you type the paper, and then turned around and walked away, you'd be going, what's happening after I type the paper? So you can join these two ideas with a comma. When I get home, it's nap time. Same as the other two. When I get home is an incomplete thought. When I get home, if that's all you say, you're left wondering what happens when I get home. The other way that it's not an introductory element, but it is an element that needs, I don't know, if you flip it. So if you say, Jack, sit down, then we could technically call it an introductory element. It's a direct address. I'm calling someone's name. So just like, yes, comma, I will go with you, I could say, Jack, comma, I will go with you. Sit down now, comma, Jack. Or I could say, Jack, comma, sit down now. I'm addressing someone. So it doesn't matter if it goes first or if it goes last. You still separate it with a comma, because sit down now is a complete thought. Jack is not a complete idea. And that's comma rule number 4. So again, if you need help, just let me know.